Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out in Mandeville and we're giving you a tour of the Garden Hotel in Mandeville. Now this hotel is undergoing an extensive renovation. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on what's happening here. The ongoing renovation of the Garden Hotel in Mandeville is a meaningful development for a town that has long needed renewed investment in its hospitality sector. For decades, the Garden Hotel has been one of Mandeville's most recognizable hotel properties, located close to the town center and known for its traditional architecture, landscape grounds, and calm hillside atmosphere. However, like many long-standing hotels across Jamaica's interior regions, it had begun to show signs of age and required modernization. The current renovation represents not only a physical upgrade of the property, but also a reawakening of Mandeville's potential as a destination for business travel, local tourism, and social gatherings. The renovation focuses on improving both the structural and aesthetic elements of the hotel. Guest rooms are being refurbished with updated interior designs, modern furnishings, improved lighting, and upgraded bathroom facilities. The lobby and common areas are being reconfigured to create a more open, welcoming environment suitable for both casual visitors and business travelers. Outdoor spaces, including the gardens for which a hotel is named, are receiving renewed landscaping attention to restore the peaceful, green ambience that once made the property a favored attraction for weddings, retreats, and family events. One of the key goals of the renovation is to position the Garden Hotel as a modern, multi-purpose hospitality venue. Mandeville has a strong presence of schools, hospitals, corporate offices, and professional services, which creates steady demand for meeting rooms, conference spaces, and group accommodations. By updating its event facilities, the Garden Hotel stands to become a central hub for workshops, government trainings, business seminars, university gatherings, and celebrations such as banquets and receptions. This shift recognizes that Mandeville's hotel market is not defined by leisure tourism, but rather by business travel, academic activity, medical visitors, and returning residents. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Enjoy the rest of the tour and have a good day.